Are you a Buyerzilla? A realtor couple tells the truth.
Hi everyone, I'm Nancy Walsh, Community Sales Manager at T Farm, Homes by Ashton Woods.
And I'm Kevin Walsh with the Husted Team, powered by Keller Williams. I've worked with buyers for years, and today we're here to discuss a very serious condition affecting home buyers everywhere.
That's right, Buyerzilla.
Symptoms may include unrealistic expectations, chronic indecision, inability to commit to a floor plan.
If you have experienced any of these symptoms, please consult your community sales manager or your buyer's agent immediately. Sign number 1, mansion dreams, a starter budget.
I want 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a gourmet kitchen, a study, a bonus room, and a private home site.
Great. What's your budget?
Well, it's about the price of a palmetto villa.
Well, we have officially diagnosed our first Buyerzilla. Sign number 2, the paint color emergency.
This home is perfect,
Wonderful.
but I don't like this shade of gray.
The shade of gray.
Yeah, it's the wrong gray.
You know that paint can be changed, right?
Wait, what?
Buyerzilla often rejects perfect homes because something can be fixed in a weekend.
So you're telling me I shouldn't walk away from a gray house because of one wall color?
Correct.
Well, that would have been useful information 3 houses ago.
Sign number 3, professional community visitor. How many times have you visited T Farm?
7.
Have you picked a home?
No,
Do you know all the floor plans?
just about yes.
Do you know about our amenities and where they're located?
Oh, they're fabulous. Absolutely yes.
Do you know which home sites have sold and which are currently available?
Almost all of them.
Sir, you have officially upgraded from prospect to unpaid community sales. Sign number 4, the perfect home syndrome.
I found the perfect home.
That's great.
But what if a better one comes along tomorrow?
And what if it doesn't?
I hadn't considered that.
Buyerzilla is often found waiting for a unicorn while the perfectly good home keeps selling. Sign number 5, multiple personality floor plan disorder.
Saturday, I wanted a 1-story.
Okay,
Sunday, I wanted a 2-story.
that makes sense.
Monday, I wanted a villa.
Sure.
Tuesday, I wanted 10 acres, a horse barn, and no HOA.
That's not even T Farm anymore. Sign number 6, the HGTV effect.
I saw this kitchen on Pinterest.
Of course you did.
Can we make mine look exactly like that?
Absolutely, it's a possibility.
Great.
Do you have an extra $100,000?
Never mind.
Sign number 7, the neighbor investigation.
So, who's buying next door?
I can't tell you that.
What about across the street?
No.
2 houses down?
Still no.
What if I bring cookies?
Definitely no.
The truth is, every buyer becomes a little Buyerzilla sometimes.
And that's okay. Buying a home is one of the biggest decisions you're ever going to make.
The trick is focusing on what matters the most,
Your budget, your lifestyle, and your must-haves.
not the shade of gray in the guest bedroom.
Exactly.
So tell us in the comments.
Which Buyerzilla symptom sounds most like you?
And if you're thinking about buying a home near Charleston, I'd love to help. I'm Kevin Walsh with the Husted Team, powered by Keller Williams. Whether you're looking at new construction or resale homes, feel free to reach out.
And if you're interested in learning more about T Farm by Ashton Woods in Ravenel, I would love to help you explore the community, available homes, and home sites. I am Nancy Walsh, Community Sales Manager at T Farm by Ashton Woods. Call or text me at 843-718-4285. My calendar link is in the description below, where you can easily schedule your personal tour.
And remember,
Don't let Buyerzilla make your home search harder than it needs to be.